Pry the air conditioning trim panel out with the rocker, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Pry out the upper and lower trim panels of the instrument panel with the rocker. Then pry out the trim panel of the instrument panel and remove two fixing screws. Pull the original display screen outward, take out the original display screen, and then remove the power cord and LVDS plug. Remove the fixing screws of the host panel. Pull the host of the original vehicle outward, take out the host of the original vehicle. Then hold the buckle of the ISO plug of the host and pull it backwards to take out the ISO plug of the host. Press the small buckle on the original ISO wire head with tweezers, and take out the 2P orange optical fiber cable. Thread the ISO harness and RC harness through the center console to the base of the display with threading tools and electrical tape. Pass the two USB sockets through the storage box and put them into the storage box.
Plug the 2P orange optical fiber cable behind the female head of the Linux LSO cable. Connect the LSO plug of the original host to the male of Linux LSO harness. Connect the Linux ISO cable female to the back of the original host, insert the plug, and press the buckle to make it firmly installed.
Install the original host back to its original position, confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Install the three panels of the instrument cluster back into place.
Connect the original display LVDS cable to the Linux LVDS cable on the RCA harness. Install the base of the Linux device in the middle of the dashboard and lock the fixing screw. Connect the plugs of Linux ISO harness and RCA harness to the back of Linux device.
Put two metal clips on the base.
Install the Linux device on the base, and lock the screw behind it to fix the Linux device. Ignition on, power on the car. Check whether the Linux device can be started normally, and check whether all functions are normal.